First of all, thank you very much, Andrew and Eldora, for giving full support. It was a tremendous visit, I would say. I felt like home, to be very honest. So thank you very much once again. So you have given me the opportunity to visit your shop floor and also to sample room. I have visited almost every corner of the factory. So it's really a fantastic experience, I would say, in terms of safety, in terms of quality. Fantastic factory, I would say.
It's also a tough time for you to be here. You know, it takes a long time.
Not at all. Actually, before I came here, I thought it would be very difficult due to language barrier, you know.
Yes.
So you have actually given me full support in terms of giving company full time, especially you.
It's
and
also a really good time.
Yeah. So it's fantastic. I think.
1,000 miles to be here, so we should share with you all the good things we have.
Oh, it was full-heartedly. It's smiling face always.
So actually, I would like to know. So what do you think of the first image, the first impression when you entered this factory?
Oh, okay. First of all, first impression is simple. Wow. To be very wow factory. We call it wow factory.
Yeah.
Everything you see, you will get thrilled. Wow, what a nice factory, neat and clean. Everything is under good maintenance.
Yeah, they have office buildings here, and we have plants here over there.
So
they are around.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, have you ever seen a factory like this?
In fact, in my actually professional period, so I used to travel to different factories worldwide. In fact, I visited so many countries, so many factories. This is a world-class factory, I would say. So I've seen so many factories, good factories, bad factories, world-class factory. This is a world-class factory. This is a good.
This is the best one.
I would say this is one of the best.
Okay.
This is one of the best. Yeah.
Sure. So, what kind of products do you think that impress you the most?
So, especially the panel making, especially the robotics, the way the panels are moving from one place to another. This is the state-of-the-art technology, I would say.
It's like an art.
No manual handling, no repetitive work, no pressure on worker.
Yeah, totally automatic.
Yeah, absolutely automatic production.
So, what do you think of the sandwich panels?
Well, so the workmanship, the craftsmanship was really good. I did not see even a single sharp edge. Finishing was so good, so smooth. The way you actually
like
packed
what I told you, right?
Yeah. So the way you packed for delivery, it's outstanding. Very good actually. Protected from side. Packing was really good.
So what do you think of our wood composite panel? But it's made of stone surface, not a...
Oh yeah, I've seen this for external and internal.
Yeah,
this is good. This is another actually, I did not know that you have that product also. This is a huge area, I think, in our country also, everywhere in the world. This is something new technology, I would say. So I think you have a very good market, I think, outside, in Bangladesh also, in different countries.
Yeah.
You should explore those.
That's right. So you think you will become the best seller in your market?
Yeah, I think because your product, you have the quality, you can actually produce any scale. I think you have good production capability.
Yeah.
So quality, also price-wise, I think since you have the scale, you can give us at lower price, I'm sure. So product with good price and quality, I think people will buy definitely. What do people want? They want good quality with best price, yeah, definitely.
Definitely. So what do you think of the soft clay? Do you like the soft clay?
Yeah, definitely. The way you processed it through the tunnel, starting from liquid and final product comes out as solid. This is malleable as well. This is not. You can actually mold it. So you can fit it to any shape. It's fantastic. The process is absolutely through strict production and quality control.
Yes.
You maintain all the parameters, all the quality.
Because they are
And the guys two guys who were sitting at the end, so they were maintaining the quality. You notice
that's
that?
Right. They're QA.
Yeah, QC, and also the production guy who was actually taking the product out. He was actually checking each and every piece of the product.
That's right. Before they pack it up, every piece of this clay will be checked by person.
Yeah.
It's made by machine, but checked by person.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. So what do you still remember the wool I showed you that they are made different characters, different patterns?
Yeah.
Do you still remember the wall? When we working in the plant, and there is a wall, especially mentioned by me and I show you a character, Chinese character.
Yeah.
Different characters together.
Yeah. This is
Pattern.
okay. Yeah, I've seen. So, but
So do you still remember what is made of?
I have forgotten the one you prepared by CNC machine
Yeah.
in front of probably ACB plant.
We call that aluminum composite.
Aluminum plant.
Yeah, the aluminum is a raw material,
Yeah.
and we make them into the shapes you like.
Yeah.
Because they're soft and they're easy to be molded
Yeah.
and easy to be shaped, and they are anti-rust.
Anti-rust, yeah.
So, and also durable.
This is the best part of this, yeah, anti-rust, and also very light. This is aluminum is
Yeah, lightweight.
lightweight, yeah.
So it can be a really good material for decoration.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's right. So do you think you will introduce us to your friend, to your...
Absolutely. I am here basically to know about your product folios and also to know the characteristic of your product. Also to see physically the way you. So seeing is believing, you know. So I've seen your factory. I know now your capability. Definitely, I will try my best. This is all about actually taking your product to Bangladesh market.
Yeah, of course.
This is all about this.
So
I came here only for
finally
this.
we convince you, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Good. Thank you. Oh, thanks for visiting us, and wish you have a good time here.
Thank you very much for everything you've done. So I will actually remember you for long.
That's
Definitely, let us have some business together.
Definitely.
That will make the bonding, I think, even more better.
Yeah, we can make the world more. We can build together. That's
So I would like to invite you to exhibition in Bangladesh so that you can show your product in our country so that people know about BRD Eco.
That's right. That's possible.
That is one of the way I think to actually market your product in different countries. Exhibition.
Introduce,
A lot of related people normally come to the exhibition.
Yeah.
So I'll let you know.
So you can be the ambassador of our product.
Yeah, sure, definitely. I
You
would like
can
to.
introduce them to,
I would like to.
not everyone can come to China, can come to our factory,
Yeah.
and you can help them to know us better.
Absolutely, I'll try my best. You will try my best.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
for the
Thank you.
interview.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a nice.